I'm here to talk about my app uh, called Shareit. Essentially, this app is a platform where people can talk about different things, about different topics within different groups, and have support from one another, and just an open place for people to just share whatever they feel about certain things or just what they want to talk about at that time. At the same time, Shareit, it was built on just Ruby on Rails, just only Ruby on Rails, everything about it. Uh, and let's get started to see how the app works. So you're able to sign up and sign in. Uh, Other than going through the whole sign up process, I already created one beforehand to just work through it. But when you do sign up, each one of these have their own specific validations, and if you sign up wrong, it'll show you an error message in the bottom. But for right now, we'll just sign up, and oops, that's not it. One, and I'll enter my password, and here's the home page. And from here, we're able to create or choose a group. From here, there's a different groups. Think of it almost like Reddit, where you can just different like subreddits you can choose from. We can either create a group or we can choose from existing groups. So right now, I want to choose. Um, Firstly, all these like Pokemon kind of groups thing right now, these are randomly generated data from Faker because I just wanted to show a mass amount of it and see how it works. So just don't mind too much about the Pokemon names that are popping out. You'll see some familiar things here and there. But if I hit Geodude and let's say we hit Flash, we come into this page. And this page, what it allows us to do is either kind of like Twitter, where we're able to um, write a post, have the post be show up in a feed almost, and everybody in that particular group can see that particular post. So for right now, I have other users that's posted here. So all these other like um, all these what do you call them? All these other users that are named after Dragon Ball Z characters. Again, faker data. So don't mind it too much. These comments are also faker data. Um, you can see that they posted things here and I can see them. So I can say hello world here and I can create a buy. And here it is. It shows up. If I come out of it and I go back into Flash, it's still there, persists there. I can edit it. It updates. I can delete this post and so on and so forth. I can also from here follow other users. Let's see if I follow enough. Cool. So now I have 9 people I'm following and a number of buys that I've made. So if I go to my profile, I can show right now. So essentially here is where you're going to show all the posts you've made in particular groups, kind of like your own personal feed. Here it's the people who you are following yourself. So they each have their own profiles. So if I go to Shenron, I can see all the posts that he has made as well. Essentially, my goal is to fix this up a little more and have the ability to write to other people's personal profiles, but I'm not sure if that's gonna work out the way I want it to. Um, yeah, I'll think about it how that might work later on. But essentially, that's the gist of it. I'm able to write a post in any group I want. So if I go back to the groups and I go to Hitmonlee and Whirlwind, here is things here. I've already posted here. So let's go to Thrash. There's nothing there. I want to show here. Hello, Shenron. I'm able to create it. It shows up, it refreshes there. And now in my profile, it shows up. So yeah, that's the gist of it. Oh, I'm also able to create a group if I wanted to. So I can name it to Ruby. And we can talk it self-join. And man, I got the follows to work because of class alias. And it shows that. So now if I ever go back, any other user can see it. Ruby, self-join, and it's there. And just to show you that other users can also see it, I will sign up real quick. I know I didn't want to do this, but why not? And I'm sorry, just sign up real quick. Cool. You sign up as Milan. And there is Ruby there. There's the self-join, and here I am. That's it for my presentation. Thank you for watching. And again, if you have any questions about it, don't feel free to let me know. Thank you.